131st football season. Here it is, the band of the Fighting Irish. America's first university band, saluting our team and fans with the Notre Dame fanfare. The band is under the direction of Dr. Kenneth Dye. Sam Sanchez, Larry Dwyer, Matt Burton, Justin McManus, and David Mandel. Drum major Harrison Lacey with Patrick Starner and Cameron Ray.
Look at that boy.
What's that?
Look at that boy out there.
Led by the Irish Guard, the band does its unique high step drill to Hike
Isaiah
Notre
said he
Dame.
went to the bathroom. We were waiting for you.
Oh, sorry.
Ladies and gentlemen, now in the south end zone, our national colors will be presented by Jack Benchick, a double domer who 50 years ago worked on the research team that designed the landing pads for the lunar module that took Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin safely to the surface of the moon. During his student days, Mr. Benchick played the tuba in the band of the Fighting Irish, and he now has 2 grandchildren who are current band members. Today's color guard is presented by the combined Bowling Green and Notre Dame Air Force ROTC. The Notre Dame band will now play America the Beautiful, conducted by Notre Dame Director of Bands, Dr. Ken Dye. We, the people of the United States, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare, and secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our posterity, do ordain and establish this Constitution for the United States of America. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal, that they're endowed by their Creator with certain inalienable rights, and among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. And for the support of this declaration, with a firm reliance on the protection of divine providence, we mutually pledge to each other our lives, our fortunes, and our sacred honor. Toledo, Ohio, will fly over at the conclusion of the national anthem. Please rise and join in the singing of our national anthem, conducted by Dr. Michael King, Director of Athletic Bands at Bowling Green State University. The band spells out Irish and plays the